Every night, we willingly slip into paralysis, drift into hallucinations, and forget the world we came from. This everyday phenomenon should terrify us, yet we call it sleep. For 1/3 of our lives, we enter a realm scientists still can't fully explain. Why do we spend so much time unconscious? And what exactly happens when the lights of the mind go dark? Moments after we close our eyes, the brain begins its secret rituals. Cells repair, memories reorganize, and deep inside, waves of electricity sweep across the cortex, like nightly housekeeping for the mind. Then comes the strangest act, dreams. A world built from logic, chaos, fear, and desire. Some believe dreams help us solve problems. Others say they're emotional therapy, but no one truly knows why our brains create these vivid stories every night. During REM sleep, your mind becomes almost as active as when you're awake, but your body is frozen. Biological safety switch, preventing you from acting out your dream. Yet in a world of glowing screens and endless nights, humans are sleeping less than ever, and the consequences are frightening. Weakened memory, unstable emotions, and a body that begins to break down. Maybe sleep isn't just rest, it's the secret engine of our humanity. And every night we close our eyes, we step into the greatest mystery we're still trying to solve.